all dear students, teachers. Today we gather here to celebrate one of the most significant days in the history of our nation, Republic Day. It was on this day, the 26th January in 1950, that the Constitution of India came into effect, making the birth of our country as a sovereign democratic republic. Republic Day is a reminder of the sacrifices made by countless freedom fighters, leaders, and visionaries who worked tirelessly to give us the rights and freedoms we enjoy today. It is also a day to reflect on our duties as citizens and our commitments to upholding the values of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity enshrined in our Constitution. As we begin today's assembly, let us remember that each one of us plays an important role in shaping the future of our nation. Through unity, responsibility, and dedication, we can continue to make India proud. Let us now proceed with the program to honor this special day, wishing everyone a meaningful and inspiring Republic Day celebration.
constitution. We will start from UKG. Are here to take you through the celebration. Let's begin. So now my friend will tell you about the importance of this day in our life. Day is celebrated every year on 26 January to honor the day when the India's constitution came into effect in 1950. It is the day India became a republic, which means the people of India got the right to choose their leaders through elections. It is a book of that tells how the country should be governed, the rights of every citizen. Republic, they prayed the horse and lived 1950 and Rajpath and New Delhi. It has become a tradition ever since. To tell you some amazing facts about our India. It's the birthplace of the world's most major religions. Buddhism, India has more than 23 distinct languages and 13 scripts and 720 local languages. It lands of India speak different languages and dialect and follow different religions. So the floating post office is in India. It is situated on a houseboat in beautiful Dal Lake in Srinagar in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. This floating post office was started in 1953. Thank you.